Hello guys and welcome to another video on Tutorials Guru. Today we're going to be learning how to remove or delete your YouTube channel. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bells to get notified every time we post a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. First, go ahead and open your preferred browser on your mobile. Then on the search bar, type studio.youtube.com. If you have this Studio app installed, then it might redirect you to your Studio app. So to open this inside your browser, simply long press on it and tap on Open in New tab. After that, tap on Continue to Studio. Over here, make sure that you are logged into your Gmail account that is associated with the YouTube account that you want to delete. Now zoom into the page a bit, and then at the bottom of the page, you'll be able to see a gear icon. Tap on it. This will redirect you to the settings on YouTube Studio. Now go ahead and tap on the channel section. Tap on Advanced Settings. Now under Advanced Settings, simply scroll down and at the bottom you'll be able to see Remove YouTube Content. Tap on it. Now you'll be requested to enter your phone's password to confirm that it's really you. So simply tap on Continue. Enter your phone's password. Now you'll be given with two options, either to hide your channel or permanently delete your content. If you want to permanently delete your content, tap on the second option. Make sure that both of these options are selected if you want to delete your YouTube channel. Finally, tap on Delete My Content. After you've made sure you've selected both these options, then all of this content from your YouTube channel will be deleted, and this is how you can delete your channel on YouTube. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.